Anthony here. So I'm looking at Binance paired with the USDT at the moment. We just had this signal fire up here, and it's looking a little bit overextended. Have a look at the 30-minute chart. See how we've traded down here to the base of this. It's a range here. Let me just put that on a 15-minute chart and I'll show you what I mean. I'll open it up. Actually, we'll see how we're trading down to our green dots. I'll come back to that because I actually want to get in here. So I'm just going to buy. Yep, okay, so what I've done, I've just entered a limit order buy, and I'm going to run it up now to the price because I want that there. Okay, so we have a look at this. I'm going to look to take profits early. Now, if we have a close look here, if I pull this down, that's worth about $80 in dollar value, this range here. So we can take it out of the way for the moment and just see how it plays out. Because what I'll be looking to do with this, and this is my my strategy, if that's the entry here, I look to take 70% out of the market as early as possible. This is a 1-minute chart and we're scalping. With that in mind, we want to set up a stop loss as well, so we don't want this to get out of control. Off this signal, show you how I set my stop loss. I grab fib and I pull it from the previous high down to my entry. Stop loss will go in between this level here, these orange. Okay, so this has just reached my TP1. I'll throw a stop loss in at 548 to start with. Let's just say we've closed the partial position already. This is where I pull my stop loss up to slightly better than break even. I mean, if we want to, I mean, we can close a portion of this. Let's just do it. Partial close, 100 units, and I want to take 70 units, right? Okay, I've done it. I've taken my 70%. Stop loss is in place now. It's pretty tight, but so be it, right? Now, if it comes back and takes me out, it doesn't matter. I'll go back and I'll explain the strategy a bit more, and we'll have a look at some of the other signals. But why I actually liked this particular signal was, if we have a look at this on the higher time frame, see how it's traded down into this here? This is a daily pivot. This yellow line here on our chart, that's a daily level. Looks like it just got taken out. That's fine. It's been taken out, no problem. All right, but, you know, we're in the money already. So here's the thing, though. If we had that signal here, and we took that trade, well, you know, I mean, that's a nice outcome. This one, in the money, closed 70 and we've left 30 and it's taken it out, but it's positive again. Same with this one, but it's when we get signals like, well, this one, for example. That's a nice outcome. I just thought I'd interrupt here to show you a live example of what we're talking about. This trade setup here was off this breakout of the cloud today. This is one of our trade setups. When we get a breakout of the cloud, I mean, we have a range breakout. I managed to catch this because I actually saw it coming, and I set up a sell order just under this range, seeing that we had this price was breaking down and we had a couple of red signals here. I set up my entry under this range here. So that's one of the strategies you can use with this, is wait for these signals, all right, watch price action, and you can see it rolling over here. You know, and then we look for these ranges where our white, see these white bars we have on our trend bar indicator here? These give you an indication of where the market might be ranging. All right, so we had this through here, you know, a bit of a situation through here. There's another one here. We're going to see these ranges. We're going to see these white bars. This is a push into liquidity. The market's rolling over. They push it back into liquidity and then they sell off. That's a deliberate stop hunt, by the way. So anyway, when you see this kind of price action, it's gearing up. And so, yeah, I mean, look at the outcome. It's some of these situations. See this? If you'd taken that, just look at the outcome. When we trade in a situation like this, when we've got a signal down here and it's a buy, and we trade out of the cloud and we get a green triangle, we stay in until, you know, we see the market obviously rolling over and we get a first red candle. or red bar. This is why we have these bars colored. So on the first red bar we're out, or if you want to, you can go in when we close in the cloud here. This is the cloud. Close the cloud is better because you might get a red bar down here, while it pulls back. So this is why I prefer to close in the cloud. So if that's the case, I mean, there's your trade, and it's worth a lot. All right, so we get these, and I've got these alerts running on a whole bunch of different pairs here. There's just opportunities firing every minute. Now I want to take this opportunity to show you something. I'm just coming to YouTube. This is one of my previous videos, but if you scroll down and open up the description, oh, by the way, give me a thumbs up, guys. Help me build the channel. I've had 3 or 4 months off, and I've come back. Going to be doing daily videos, and your help would be really appreciated. Now, you'll see in the description this. What this is about is giving you access to the indicators and my signals here. With this in mind, I would like to say to you, take this opportunity. Click this link under here. It's a PayPal link. It's only $19.95, and I've got a 7-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy for whatever reason, you shoot me an email and I will refund you immediately. So this is absolutely risk-free for you. Jump on board, give this a shot, and I'm very sure that you're going to be happy with this. Not only do you have access to the indicators with the signals, you get full access to my members-only private VIP Telegram channel where there's daily trade ideas and these market reports. It's exceptional value. Snap it up. Price will be going up very soon. So this is an opportunity, guys. Jump on it. So let's just go back. I've got a whole bunch of these going off at the moment. There's one XRP, so I wouldn't mind just jumping in here, and there's one Solana. We'll just grab that. Well, I mean, here's the thing. Do I take this trade? Okay, a quick open. Where's this trading down to? All right, let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. All right, look at this. See, I like this setup. See how we've traded down to this level here? Oh, I'm good with that. We've traded into a big level. So let's just open this up and grab this. Well, I've missed the boat. Look, see, you got to be quick. But what I will do, I'll show you how I set this up. I've just created the limit order down here. Okay, so what I do now is I pull the take profit way up here, modify the order, and I come down and I pop it in here, and I wait to see if I get a discount. Don't chase the price. We had this signal, and if you were quick, you would have caught that move for your 70%. All right, but it's trading down again, and if you want to get a little bit more accurate with where to place this, it's quite simple. We just open up. Just want to have a look back and see what we've got here. So we'll go to these levels. I mean, yeah, that's a big level right through. You can see where we've had multiple. It's the top of this range. Now you could draw a range through there, more or less. See down here where we've had more business done through this level here. So that's not a bad level there. I'm going to set my buy limit up slightly above that. If it comes down and touches it, well, that's great. If not, well, it doesn't matter. Now, if you want to, you can pull this down and just leave it there and be done with it, and make sure that you grab your stop loss and pop that in. Or you can take this out of the way, get your stop loss set up. There's my stop loss, and I'm happy with that. This is risk-free. Well, your stop could get taken out, but that's pretty much how I kind of do this. Now, what you can do is, if you're watching this, let's just go back to our 1 minute chart. We'll open that up full screen here. If you're watching this and this is moving down, and you decide, well, I like this level here, just pop that in there like that, move it up, and it'll trigger a buy. So let's just do it. There we go, we're in. See, now we've got our stop loss in place. The TP, I'm just going to leave that up there for now, because I'd like to see if we get, let's just have a look at this. So there's our entry. That would be my target, just under here for 70%. It's a 1 minute chart, and I play it fairly tight. I do play it fairly tight. I'd even pull that down a bit further. Here we go, look, 79. Okay, so I'm going to take money out now. We'll close the position. I want 200 units. I'll take 80. I'll take 80, all right. And now that I've got money out, I'm going to put that in there. If it gets taken out right now, it doesn't matter. Just move this right out of the way. And look, I want to leave this. Why? Because I want that opportunity. Let's just have a look at that. Same situation here. That's the outcome. Now, if this is worth, I don't know, in dollar value, $100, then that's worth a lot, you know. I mean, so I'm good with that. And if it doesn't roll around here and it falls over, so be it. Solana. This is not a bad chart either. Anyway, I mean, I could go on and on about this. I love it. Guys, snap up the opportunity. There's a 100% money back guarantee if you're not happy. I really look forward to seeing you in our private Telegram channel. Trade safe. See you in the next video. Have a great day.